Alrighty, let's do this. It's been a while. I love uh the Pruskar. Don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry, but it's been a while. I'm assuming what? No face? No, no face. This is I want to be able to enjoy. I guess this is just a way of putting a borderline between streaming and my private life. But I mean, I really tried to do my best to make it resemble the most of me that I could. But anyways, well, I'm happy to be back here again. Oh man, just gotta stretch a bit, but yeah. So we're back now with continuing with making a Wordle clone with using ReactJS. And luckily, we have some people here. Gabrielle, hello. I just wanted to check in. It's 3:32 a.m. and I'm going to bed, but I just want to say hi and good luck with the stream. Oh, thank you so much, Gabriella. Thank you so much. For those who don't know, Gabriella here is a streamer too, and I would suggest that you show her your love with hitting her up with a follow whenever she streams. I remember the days of you standing up streams with your dogs, and that one time you forgot to close the stream and we were trying to get your attention. Oh yeah, I remember. I remember. But I'm thinking about maybe having the doggo cam return at some point. But in the meantime, you got me. So yeah. Yay. Awesome. Anyways, yeah. Also, before we head straight into um continuing with making our Wordle clone, I just do want to say that for the meantime, throughout this month or a little bit more, currently the streaming schedule will be every time that I will be streaming, it will only be during the weekends due to reasons. But hopefully, after maybe a month or so, I'm gonna try and do some streaming during the weekdays. And yeah. But anyways, let us commence forth with our thing. But yeah, I'm asleep now. But take care, man. Miss you so much. Happy to see you back to streaming, and to see that you're doing great. I'm doing great. Oh, thank you so much, Gabriella. Again, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. All right, but you know what? Ooh. I haven't done this in a while. Before we continue, oh, don't forget to eat, drink, eat, drink, well, okay, drink lots of water. Okay, I will. I actually have, I don't have water on me, but I have coffee. That's any good. But yeah, I'll make sure that I will, Gabriella. Anyways, so I haven't done this in a while, but we have some new members of the Diamond Eye family. Let us get straight to it. First off, we have, I wonder if it's gonna show next time stream earlier, not 3:30 in the morning. I'll make sure. This is weird. It is. Is it? No. I'm just gonna quickly first head straight into this one right here. Good night, Gabriella. So I'm just gonna quickly go over here. There it is. Okay. First off, we have T4 Trenton. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Diamond Eye family. By the way, T4 Trenton is a very wholesome, great streamer. I suggest that you go ahead, show your love to him, and give him a follow. Next up, we have Ahoy Mate. I hope that I pronounced that right. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Diamond Eye family. By the way, she too is a streamer. I suggest that you go straight on ahead, show your love, and give her a follow. I think that she's currently live right now, so why don't you do it? Same. I should go. I should go walking up in a few hours. No wait. Same. I can't English. Same. I should go waking up in a few hours. A bit late for me, but have fun, man. Great to be back. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And then finally, we have Molly Bean. Thank you so much for the follow and welcome to the Diamond Eye family. Oh, and much love to you, Proscar. Yo, Cobra, welcome back. Anyways, thank you so much, both Molly Bean, Ahoy Mate, and T4 Trenton for the follows. Welcome to the Diamond Eye family. And yeah, without further ado, let us commence with making our Wordle clone. It's me, Dory. Oh, Dory, that's right. What's up, Dory? Hope you've been doing great, man. It's been a while since we last spoke. Yeah. Nothing much. Nothing much. Just making a Wordle clone. Oh, no, I do not want to open that. Alright. I just gotta think of this row index. By the way, feel free if you wanna chat with me or anything like that. Especially if you have any questions concerning the project here, I'll be more than happy to answer that. Hey, look at that! Thank you so much, Ahoy mate. Yo, look at all the raid. Yay, Bayfield, how's it going? Just in time. Also, guys, make sure to give Bayfield some love and give him a follow. He too is a streamer. So, yo, we're gonna be doing some coding. Let's see here. Yo, thank you so much, Bayfield, for the follow. Welcome to the Diamond Eye family. I'm back. You sure are, Molly? Yeah, we're gonna be doing some coding. It's just gonna be a very chill stream because I do want to be able to get this Wordle clone done as soon as possible and not have it be, you know, so prolonged. But yeah. I'm so happy that you guys were able to come here. Chill stream is the best kind of stream, to be honest. It sure is, mate. So I don't know whether on here what I should call you, ahoy, mate, or anything like that. But yeah. Sorry if guys I'm a little bit awkward and stuff. Oh, yo! Cobra coming here with the subscribe. Yo, thank you so much. You honestly did not have to do that. But thank you. My full name is Maitland. Okay. We're all awkward. Yeah, that sure is true, especially, you know, on my part. Hey, Molly Bean with cheer. Yo! Yo, thank you so much, Molly Bean. You honestly didn't have to do that, but thank you. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. I know nothing about coding, so I had to show my support in another way. Oh, thank you, Molly Bean. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that, but you know what? All this so much greatly appreciated. So much. Yo, this is crazy. This is insane. Oh, this is dang, I'm getting jittery now. I like your character. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hold on. Yeah. So tell me if I'm saying this right. Maitland, is that am I pronouncing that right? He's got the jitters. Oh, yeah. Yes, Maitland. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Maitland. Oh, Maitland. Okay, got it. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Oh man. Whew. All right, come on. Come on, Sentinel. Okay, so explain what you're doing. So that's hard for me to explain, but okay. So basically, let me show you what I have here. So, saying looked really good. Did you create it yourself? I did. Yes, I am sort of. However, following a tutorial. I do know how to do this sort of stuff. However, and actually, this is actual even better explain what it is that I am doing here. So, so I used to go to a school where I did all of my programming training and stuff, and I learned a complete set of skills such as game development design, web development design, software engineering, stuff like that. I learned a ton of programming languages. However, here's the thing, and this is what takes the toll in every programmer. The less that you spend on oh, thank you so much, mate. The problem is this is that whenever a programmer doesn't use a certain programming language for a specific amount of time, they tend to forget it. That's why it is nearly impossible for all programmers to remember every single programming language. That's why the main factor of learning a programming language, you first need to learn the fundamentals. This is my 2 cents here. If you're going to be learning a programming language, do not even touch a programming language, even the most simplest one, which is Python. First, learn the fundamentals. Learn what is a for loop, what is an integer, what is basically a variable. Once you learn the fundamentals, then it opens up to you a variety of programming languages that not only will you be able to understand and implement, but also it's sort of like, I don't know how to explain it, but basically you just have a better understanding, and you won't have such you won't have much difficulty learning that language than you would if not learning any programming fundamentals. Makes total sense. It's like laying a foundation and building upon that. Yes, exactly, Molly. That is exactly it. So basically, on the side here, I do have a tutorial. However, I'm going to be still doing things a bit my way. So I'm just seeing how he's doing it. But I'm going to be putting a bit of my own edits because I haven't touched ReactJS in such a long time. So this is my chance to build up upon that. Just as Molly said, so I already know the foundations. Any programmer, no matter what field that you're going to, game development, web development, software engineering, networking, doesn't matter. If you know the fundamentals, then you're already at a great start. So let me explain what it is that I have now. So right now, I am sort of making the framework. I don't know how to. So forgive me if you are, if anyone here is a programmer, and then what I'm saying might sound like I'm lying or something. Again, I'm very bad when it comes to explaining how my programming works, but I will explain I will show you actually what I can explain, which is right here. So constants. In this data.js, here is a list of words that will be randomly chosen and used in the Wordle clone. This list comes within increments of actually comes within a dictionary. So this can be counted as a dictionary, and these as keys. So right here we got letters that start with A, the rest is B, C, D, all that sort of stuff. And then along with that, I think, yes. So in this constants.js, here we already have the keys that we're going to be using. So this looks like your the normal, I don't know what it's called in English, but basically this will be looking like what shows on your keyboard. It starts, if you look at your keyboard, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, and U. So this is what the user, the player, will be using to interact. Bayfield, this is so sick. It sure is. By the end of this, is there a way that we can all be able to play on your version? You know what? Yes. I'm jealous of this knowledge. Thank you, Molly. I honestly don't know what to say. But you know what? Yes. Here's why I will say. Granted, though, okay. Dude, for real, that would be so sick. It would. So actually, you know what? Here's what I will say. I have been planning on actually making a website to host many of my portfolios, many of my projects. This will also be accessible through a GitHub repository. So yeah, so maybe after this is done, this will be up in my GitHub, and then later down the line, this will be accessible online on my website. Wait, that would be dope. Byfield, sign me up. I sure will, Bayfield. I sure will. Oh my god, yeah, guys, I have no idea how much I'm shaking. You're always welcome to link it, my Discord as well. When you finish, I sure will. Do you have other stuff on your GitHub already? Technically, I do. I just haven't updated yet. I did, however, so during high school, this is starting to become less of a of a program tutorial and more of a story time chat. But you know what? Who cares? It's my stream. But so during high school, I really loved AI, and especially in movies, it'd be like that. We're vibing, yeah. Oh yes, glad it's gonna be able to make on your GitHub. Yep. So basically, in high school, so before that, growing up, I loved Iron Man. I wanted to be Iron Man. His personality, his knowledge, everything about him, I wanted to be him. So that's where I believe my spark of innovation, inventing things, programming, artificial intelligence, everything that Iron Man is, I wanted to be, because I just felt that it was the coolest thing ever. So during high school, oh my god, wait, that's so pure. Aw, thank you, Maitland. So basically, during high school, during my freshman year, I was already a master when it came to Python, and in my trade school. So I went to a trade school. So part of the shop was that, or my trade was that, we would be able to do a independent training, like independent project called an ALE. And what I chose as my ALE was I wanted to make a Jarvis of my own. I wanted to make a personal AI assistant. And so that's where I made Samantha. Samantha in itself is an acronym, and it stands for Super Advanced Manager and Navigational Traveling Health Assistant. So I wanted her name to basically cover like almost every criteria. And whoa, bro, yeah. and the thing is, so I kept so throughout my years of high school, I kept training. I kept watching YouTube tutorials, online reports, and basically studies by these by people way more experienced than I am. You about to take over the world? Who knows? I'm actually intimidated by your brain right now. Trust me. I may sound smart, but yet I do very stupid stuff. So don't worry. um. What was I gonna say? Sorry, I sometimes get brain fog sometimes. That's the best. That's the best though. That's also just being. Oh man, MNA. Oh man, yeah, Samantha. Yep. And so, however, I wanted. So when it came to artificial intelligence, I wanted to approach artificial intelligence in a different direction. You see, I think, and now for so for anyone who watches this, whether you're watching this live or already on my YouTube channel or something like that, forgive me if this offends you, but I'm just saying what might be the truth here, what might be a critical theory. I think the best way to approach artificial intelligence is the way that you approach raising a child. And what does that both entail? Time. The thing is, I think when it comes to artificial intelligence, you need to not only create its infrastructure, its functions, to have it being given the ability to update itself, to have almost what seems to be an unlimited amount of storage, which I know when it comes in computer terms, it's basically impossible, but basically a large enough, database. The thing is, it will need to first start out not knowing a single thing, but then over time, through multiple input, through multiple trials and errors, it gets to know stuff, and it starts to grow a virtual conscience. That's just my take on it. But basically, my approach on AI, just in a very simplified standpoint, is what if now so I want to ask people in the chat here, what are you made of? I know that you know the answer, but I want to be able. Would they then make AI parents that would start raising AI kids? Yeah, basically. So we got carbon, atoms. Yes, think of it in a more granular scale, something a little bit more organic, something a little bit more alive. I'll give you a hint. It starts with a C. There's 5 letters. Like a consciousness? Yes. Nailed the spelling. Long, awkward silences. No, I don't. Okay, so basically, we are made of cells, living tiny organisms that make up each other, that make up me, that make up you, that make up all of us. Yeah, don't feel bad, Phil. Don't worry. But yeah, so we are made of cells, living organisms. We are basically, if you think about it, now here's a shower thought. If you think about it, we are a mothership of living organisms. So, and so is our brain. So is our brain with different neurons. No. Yeah, wait. Am I saying that? Am I being dumb? Yeah, with almost countless amount of brain cells. So, what I wanted to approach when it comes to artificial intelligence is, I think that true artificial intelligence brains are like a battery, kind of spoofing. Yep. So
basically, in terms of approaching artificial intelligence, I think the best way to approach artificial intelligence is to have one AI, is to have multiple AIs, multiple sub AIs, ones that are specified in multiple criterias, whether that be that be general chat, whether that be mathematics, um, problem solving of any kind, visuals such as yeah, CVS, not the store, the other kind of CVS, or I think it's called CVA, as well as history, and all different criteria.
So actually, I just watched a movie. Can't remember the name of it. It was about a couple that created AI that could grow to have their own consciousness, and it actually worked. Yeah, obviously just a movie, but I feel we're much there.
We sure are. We are very close there, very close. And I can't wait until like artificial intelligence just keeps on ramping and ramping, just keeps on like advancing until like who knows in the future you see there may be artificial intelligence that or imagine this like the future of Twitch streams, you and you have and people on chat that in actuality could be just artificial intelligence taking taking the countless amount of input from so many other real people, typing into chat into multiple people's streams and stuff, their different commentaries, and just basically putting commentary, questions, and so much in people's and not, it doesn't have to be on Twitch. It could be on YouTube Live. It could be on so many things. Movie reviews, cooking review. Well, the thing about cooking reviews, I think those are mostly going to be for humans. But any type of reviewing, analyzing stuff like that, you wouldn't even be able to differentiate if whether or not a human or an AI did it.
I mean, they're already making robots just to do tasks with us every day. I just saw a TikTok today of someone that has a robot for 1.8K that literally follows you around about in a basket. We're entering Star Wars Wall-E era.
Yes, yes. Sure. By the way, Wall-E is just such an underrated movie. I love that movie to heart, man. They need to make like a Wall-E 2. We need to petition for a Wall-E 2.
It's exciting but terrifying.
I love it. Yes. But bro, like it's not really common that you see because it's technically a romance. It's like a rom-com movie about two robots, but yet they fall in love, and it's just so cute. It's something like it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I wish that they could make a sequel to it. It was my favorite growing up when we played it in class. Yes, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be real here. Along with Iron Man, Wall-E was also part of my inspiration in becoming a computer programmer, because for the longest time I wanted to make Wall-E. I used to have a lot of Wall-E toys, and so when I was little, I would always think, one day I'm gonna program you, or like one day I was gonna make Wall-E in real life. Iron Man and Wall-E are in your area, basically. Yeah. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. So, I believe you'll do it though. I hope so. Hey, if this channel grows big enough, and that sorry I had to step away for a phone call. I'm gonna lurk for the night, but I will be back for more streams. No problem, Molly Bean. No problem at all. Gotta keep us updated if you do. I'm gonna cheer you on, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, mate. Alright, I am getting so jittery. This is the most jittery that I've ever been in a stream. Oh god. Anyways. So yeah, anyways, just so I can finish the story time and then going back to this. Basically, the only and so basically I wanted to approach Samantha with having her have this virtual brain and having multiple sub AIs basically handle specific tasks, specific topics and subjects. And these are what I would call cortexes, such as in the brain. We have multiple different cortexes that handle stuff within our brain and just help us, help us understand the world around us. Yo, thank you so much. Wait, hold on. Thank you so much, Maylife, for the lyric. I'll be right back. No problem. No problem. But yeah, however, the only cortex I was. Oh, yo, hold on. Give me a sec. What do we have here? Yo, Allison the Alligator. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Diamond Eye Gang. Oh, wow. This is becoming something. Yeah, let's go, Allison. Woo! Oh, man. Yo, guys, I don't know how much I can take of this. No joke, I think I might faint soon. I'm not making that a joke. I think I might. Oh, God. All right. Anyways. So yeah, so during my years of high school, the only cortex I was only able to finish for Samantha was the chat cortex, in which it would just be general stuff like highs, hellos, basic greetings, goodbyes, and just would tell jokes here and there. It would just sound as if you were having a casual conversation. But I do plan though on advancing with Samantha, and that who knows, maybe she'll be some form of like sub host or something to introduce within my channels and stuff. Will be some form of comedic effect. Who knows? Anyways, oh god, sorry, my bad. Just dying for a sec. Anyways, so without further ado, let us get straightforward back into the Wordle clone. But yeah. Oh, by the way, tell me, I can't English. Tell me how your guys' day's been. Tell me what's new. If you have any fun stories to share. You golfed today. Nice. Where'd you golf? If you don't mind me asking. Oh, 2 rounds? Oh, cool. What was your score? A few miles miles from your house. Nice, nice. I do want to go golfing. I've done mini golfing, but I want to be able to do like full-fledged golfing so I can like so I could just so I can whack the golf ball in like a large distance. Golf is fun. It sure is. Yeah, I bet it is. Uh, I hit a 94 and an 84. Oh, okay. Those are so good. Those are good. Golfing is fun and relaxing. I bet it is. I really do want to like go golfing. Like, disc golfing is also fun. Wait, I can't English. Sorry. Let me just explain. When I get jittery and stuff, you could probably already guess, but I stutter a lot. Go sometimes with Bailey. Oh, that's cool. Oh man. And we want to put an array. Also,
It's okay. I stutter and mess up my words even when I'm not dirty / nervous.
yeah. I guess I mainly do it whenever I get jittery like this. I either panic since I have I do have I keep forgetting what it's called. Oh yeah, stress anxiety. So I kind of panic easily depending on the situation. That or I haven't taken my medication, which helps me concentrate since I have a major ADD.
You're doing great, my friend. Thank you so much, Mainland. Thank you.
Alright, so right now what we are doing is we are setting up a couple arrays. First up, we're going to be putting the correct char. The char meaning character array. Now, for those who don't know, an array basically means list. And along with that, and then next up we're going to put up a status array. And along with this, actually, this is it's not actually going to be so much of an array. Actually, no. You know, instead, this is actually going to be an in progress one, because we still need to know yet whether or not, as the player, you know, the status of the character that you input in one of the 5x6 grids of the Wordle game, whether or not, first off, that the character that you input is correct or not. If it is correct, then if it's in the correct position. Alright, set border. So I actually set board data. Oh man. Board data. So, actually, this may interest you guys. So basically, what my what my end project for this is, like even by the time that I get this Wordle thing, this Wordle this Wordle clone done, I'm planning on revamping it and to continue working on it, and I want to make it into its own full-fledged game that you can actually download on your mobile apps. Which, because here's what I think was interesting about the game. What's interesting about Wordle is that it only gives you basically like one round, one chance within a round to play, and then you're able to show your score with your friends and stuff, which really made it popular. What my idea for this clone is that I want to be able to give it a theme. So after making a perfect Wordle clone of this, I'm gonna be redesigning it, and I'm gonna be giving it a murder mystery crime solving type of a theme, where the words that you solve are clues to solving the case. Guys, I don't want that. What does it do? That actually, you know what? Single comma. And then JSON. Then we want to stringify. We'll stringify it, and then we want to have new board data. There you go. So next up is, so I'm actually going to be adding another folder into this. Hopefully, yes. All right, I did that right. For a second there, I was afraid that I was going to make a folder within source and public along with the no modules. But no, this one here, we are going to be calling this components. And within components, we are going to be adding a file. And then within this, we are going to be doing keyboard. Keyboard.js. Since we are working with ReactJS, which is a form of framework within JavaScript. I just gotta think here what I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah. So, since this will be part of React, so for those who don't know, I'm using a special editor called I'm using a very special editor called it just let me actually amp up the music a bit. There you go. Hopefully you guys will still be able to hear me, but
Basically, uh, so the best way when it comes to so there's a certain frame, there's a certain structure that you have to do within, you know, making a React.js web application. And it kind of takes a while because you're importing it from React to importing React from React. And so the best way that I always seem to do it. So I'm using, I keep forgetting what it's called. It's called, yeah. So Visual Studio Code, and one of my plugins. I'll make sure to share it with I'll make sure to share this whenever I post this on YouTube. It's a very special plugin which allows me to just do this. So RF, actually it's just to make sure if it is RFC. Oh, sorry, RAFC E. Yeah, RFCE. There you go. And then next we want to put up a style folder. And this will actually be nice. So this will be a style. And then within this, no, that's not. Oh, okay, I just realized. I done goofed. Delete it. Yes. Move right to the recycling bin. There you go. No, actually, no. That's not what I wanted to do. Sorry. I am just becoming confuffled. New folder. There you go. We want to call this style. Perfect. Within style, we want to add in a file. And this will be called keyboard.css. So, for anyone interested, CSS is a very central. Basically, CSS means cascading style sheet, and basically, it's a form of file or style sheet language used for describing and basically presenting certain documents within a markup language, especially HTMLs. And so CSS is basically a corner. So if I remember correctly, so it is a cornerstone technology of, you know, the World Wide Web, part of the internet, along with HTML and CSS. So many websites, especially Twitch, will use CSS. And so with this is how we will be stylizing the keyboard. Oh god. However, since we're gonna be making a Wordle clone, I'm actually gonna be taking this style sheet from a GitHub repository. So I'm actually just gonna style, because there's no way I'm gonna be going ahead and trying to copy the entirety of of Wordle, like raw. So there you go. By the way, so here's another fun question. Has anyone seen any fun movies?
Or any movies that you're excited to watch? Any TV show series? And then I do want to make sure that it is, nope, not the right way. It is very not the right way. This is not even calling out board data. Now return. It is, yes, and I'll return with a div. We don't need the keyboard here. And yes, we want to return it back. This should have, there you go. And then we'll class. So when you go back to our data dot, no, sorry, constants. There you go. Let's quickly check and see. Nice. All right. No, that's not what I need. I need it there. Nice.
You seen what these kids are doing now?
What's that?
They're mixing raspberry and lemonade flavors in their drinks.
Like, raspberry lemonade?
Better. Got that bold Mountain Dew in it now.
Get bold with the raspberry lemonade flavor of Mountain Dew Spark.
So now, see, we are importing keys from, not from the constants file right here, from constant to constants.js. Want to map it. Item. No, not tem. Item. Index. Is equal than greater. And now we want to create another div. Div to divide class name. And then row. And then row So now we want to get a key. Now this key will be random, but yet it will be considered an item. No, yes, actually, I have that the right way. Get down there. Indentation is very important, no matter what programming language that you're using, even if it's Python, which doesn't really care about indentation. But please, by God, still use it. Oh no. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah. Class name. This here we want. No, so item. I just gotta quickly check. Oof. My viewers are dropping like flies. um, hmm. Just gonna please. I'm not able to actually see how long I've been. Oh, never mind. Streaming for an hour, 2 minutes. Alright. Let's see. You know, before we do, I'm gonna just do a quick import. Style. So we're taking from the style sheet. Keyboard dot css. And we have a const keyboard. Board data. And we want a handle. Handle key press. And that's actually not supposed to be in. There we go. And nope, because yet we have one more other constant we want to put in. This is another one for keyboard. Keyboard. Yo, you guys still alive? I hope it didn't lose you all. Also, forgive me if this, looks boring and stuff. I just wasn't really fully prepared to be streaming today. Just actually, now that I think about it, I don't need this. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be redoing this, so we want a function right here. And this is, I don't want to handle key press, I want to handle keyboard. So this function right here, when called upon, will handle the keyboard. And it will take key, no matter what key, the player chooses, if, so a couple if statements, if key equals enter, then handle key press is then enter. Oh, I see. This one here, honestly, I might as well just. There you go. And finally, another if statement, last one for this function. If key dot length. So if the variable key of any key measuring the length of it is greater than 1 and length. I did not even, sorry. 1 and key dot to lower. So this will lowercase. And you put here. Now, if it's not, I don't need these here. to uppercase. Nice. If not, then, well, handle, key press, don't need commas, but do need the key, dot to, not you, to uppercase. Now we do, however, want to use effect. Window.add event listener. So this is what the window for this will be listening to. Listener. Now it will be, so this web application will be listening for a certain key bound, key down, and along with those lines,
NFL teams to turn to cold water washing with Tide.
a certain handle
It even in cold.
keyboard.
Plus, if fans join in, they can save up to $150 on their energy bill.
Looks like you just made the team, rookie.
Turn to cold with Tide.
And that's the bottom line.
It's got to be Tide. Energy savings based on average when switching from hot to cold and non-HE machines.
Window.remove event listener. Key down. Effect will only activate if values in the list change, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna be ending soon. For me right now, it's 10:41, so at around 11, I'm gonna end the stream. Actually, no, I don't like that. There it is. There we go. Keys map, index. and then divide class name row. Yep, and then key is item. And then we're gonna item map. This is where. And for this one, well, I'm gonna do key index. Now this is a button. A button, and this key will be alright. Index. And then actually, yeah, and then for class name, we want to put up that $sign. For data. Correct. Array. Key. Alright. They're just gonna check just to see if you guys are still alive. Anybody alive? All right. That's correct. Okay, so within this here. Dot 3 present char array. This one includes the key.
I keep forgetting where the. Actually, for this one, we want to do dot absent char array, and this dot includes the nice. All right. Now on a on click, this will be handle key press. And the parameter will actually no yeah wait hold on. Wait, did I do this right? Alright, 10-minute warning. 10-minute warning. Yeah, hold on. There you go. Okay. Yeah, if there we go. Perfect. That looks amazing. I'm gonna save all of this. Don't want to lose my progress. Alright, that is the keyboard.js file. And it's very much it really for the components thing. There's not really anything else much to do with that. So I'm just actually gonna post
So for app CSS, there's currently like zero anything. So I'm actually just gonna copy the CSS from Git repository. Perfect, like that. And then finally, actually, just to quickly check index.css. I want to quickly index.css. Okay, yeah, it's literally the same that what I have. Index.js. Let's see here. Alright, chat. It just looks like we have one. We just have. I can't English. We just have one thing left, and that being app.js. I do, however, just want to quickly test and see how it is that we have. So I actually just want to quickly run this. I want to get a new terminal going on here. I want to run. I want to run this on Google Chrome. No, I do not want Go for VS Code. Let's go, let's do this. What's happening? Okay. Fail Go. And this is why I need to relearn ReactJS, because now I'm starting to forget how to even import it. Nope. It is not even there. This is perfect. Go to trusty Google. Or, YouTube. That's fine. Alright. Actually, yeah, let's end it for today. We done actually a lot of work. Honestly, the only thing left that we need to do is, we just need to get app.js working, as well as being able to run and see how the website's doing. But overall, this is looking really good, and I'm really excited for this clone to be finished, for you guys to be able to use it, to see it, and yeah, and hopefully, of course, we're gonna revamp it and then turn this into a full-fledged mobile game that you guys will be able to download, and solve murder mysteries, crime solving, and just finding words to get clues to finding who killed, I don't know, Mrs. whatever, or Mr. what's his name. Anyways, but yeah, thank you so much, guys, for staying on. I really had a very fun time being here, and it is just overall the best experience I could ever have here. I truly want to thank all of
convinced
you.
NFL teams to
Thank
turn
you
to cold
again
water washing with
so
Tide.
much.
The NFL, your
Anyways,
uniforms get dirty.
Tide can handle it.
that's going to
even
be
in
it for
cold.
today.
Plus, if
And you
fans
know
join in,
what?
they can
I
save up to
feel like
$150 on
doing
their energy
a
bill.
raid.
Looks like you just
So
made the
let's
team.
see who
Turn to
is
cold
on
with
that
Tide.
we can
And that's the
raid.
bottom line.
Who
got to be
can
Energy savings based
we
on average
raid?
switching from hot to cold and non-HEMA
We are
shipping.
gonna do Astrobounder. Let's see how this is going to go. Alright. Hope you're ready, guys. Let's do this. Raid. Ooh, maybe, How do you, I forgot, how do you raid? How to raid someone, yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. Ours. Raid. Yes. All right. Now we're gonna raid the channel. All right. This is Astro Bounder. Let's go. Astro Bounder. All right. Make sure to save all this. Again, thank you so much, guys, for staying on. Let's just get back to me. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you all have a great day, a good night's sleep, and I hope to see you guys in the next stream. This is Sentinel. Have a great night. Oh, hey, you're back. Great. Awesome. For a moment there, I thought you guys left. That you guys left. But yeah, went to go for food. Oh yeah, no problem. What'd you get for food, by the way? I'm not trying to sound creepy or anything. Just trying to be engaging. But yeah, no problem. Besides, there's so many other streams that I'm gonna be doing in the future. Ramen, ironically. Nice. Okay, not gonna lie, I'm gonna tell you guys this. So where I am stationed right now, I am in an unfinished basement, and literally in this basement here with my family and stuff, we have the food pantry, and right next to me I have 3 boxes of cup noodles. Yeah, I just love cup noodles so much, especially when I'm watching anime. I don't know, I kind of get that weave vibe. Anyways, oh god, those are good. They are proven now to be unhealthy, but still good. Anyways, we are about to raid Astro Bounder. All right, get ready to do. So. No, yes, ramen and anime are meant to be together. They sure are. Alright, so if I remember this correctly, when I used to do raids, I think they were called, some people either did a sentinel raid or they did a diamond raid. Whichever you want to do, works by me. Alright, anyways, we are going to be raiding Astro Bounder. Again, thank you so much, guys, for staying on. This is like the best time in such a long time that I've streamed, and you know, you guys showed your great love and support, and I hope to get more of that in future streams, and I will certainly be doing the same thing on your guys' streams. And yeah, anyways, y'all have a great day, a great night, great afternoon, just an overall great life. This has been Sentinel Diamond, and this is now signing out. Make sure to show your love and support to my friend Afterbounder here, as well as to multiple other streamers such as, again, I'm gonna mention them: Allison the Gator, Molly Bean, Byfield, and Lice, and oh yeah, and there was T4 Trayton, and most of all, ahoy mate. Again, thank you so much, and hope that you have a good one. Alright, Astro. Sorry, I know this must be annoying. Forgive me. I'm just
Yes, Astro Bounder.
Okay. Y'all have a good one now. Let's go. Thank you so much. Hope y'all have a great day. And